guys. Prove your point.
All right. So yesterday we went over shape and outliers.
Oh, can I guess what's today? Hold on, I need to help my guess. It's center, right?
Today is center.
You have to have your socks. Without the K. Yeah, it's obviously.
Guys, my pencil's about to die. I'm not letting them usually say I
We can estimate the mean and or median from a histogram the mean is the average symbolized by the summation of x over n is equal to x bar.
What?
It's a notation for mean.
Why don't you just write the word mean?
They like to do it complex.
Like with math, like the formula.
What is the weird backwards 3 mean?
It's a summation symbol.
Oh,
I know it because it's
it
some.
looks the.
I ate some pie and it was very good. Wow.
Guys, my I'm not gonna lie to you, my son.
It's on her shirt.
It is on her
I
shirt.
don't have a shirt.
I hope you
I
do.
also hope that you do.
Me too. I'd be very sad.
Okay, this sum symbol, whatever it is.
How do you draw it?
Wait, what is that squeaky part?
I didn't draw it right.
It's the sum.
Just
No, not that squeaky part.
Underestimate?
the emphasis on that part of the statement.
It looks like a backwards B.
Where?
Yeah,
What?
that'd
It is the summation symbol.
I'm not sure about like fruit punch
You just
over.
said that, Muncher.
be. I thought that was the backwards E.
What?
What? Backwards E.
That's backwards 3.
That
That's
is.
the summation. So
yeah.
what's the thing above it?
What's above it?
There's nothing above
That.
And.
It
And.
doesn't look like an and symbol. It looks like a backwards P.
I'm so confused. What is going on?
Isn't it backwards P and Q?
Wait. That depends on where you rotate it.
That's
What?
true.
Oh,
Are
thank
you
you.
are you reflecting it on the y-axis
What?
No.
Or the
Just
X
backwards.
for the x-axis?
So this literally just says to add up all the x values and divide it by the total number of values. That's what this means.
That's nifty.
I can't spell. Literally.
And so then you got the X with the line over it. Miss Earhart?
Or they rejected.
Yes.
It's fine. But for the stats AP quiz thingy, are we gonna have to know what these symbols mean? Like, are they gonna use them in problems? Yeah. Yeah.
That should help, shouldn't it? Would that help?
Oh my god.
Oh
my god.
The median is the middle value that separates the data into two equal sized lists.
Okay, so I have one of those dumb questions, which I'm surprised it's taken me this long to ask. So what happens if I have like the number 6? Like you know what I mean? Like if you have 6 things,
But there's two
how do you do that?
Then you take the two middle ones, so 3 and 4, add those together, divide by 2,
Here's the thing.
and whatever that value is, you use that.
So 3.5.
Yeah, that makes sense. So now, not really a stupid question.
That was my favorite thing to do when we did it in like 4th grade.
What did we do in 4th grade? What?
Wait.
We
I
go
was
to
at
the
a
same
different
school,
school.
Brooke.
That's true. I did nothing in 4th grade except
I love dividing fractions. That's what I love to do.
I remember. Oh, remember when we had the little stuffed animals in the reading corner?
I remember when Reagan's
I hated
mom
it
in the
subtracting
Sunday
the rest
just
of that
for in 4th grade.
Spread, yay!
That was funny.
I remember that.
All right, spread. State the minimum and Oh wait, I need to fix the and symbol for Melcher.
You just wrote it very close together.
She's been writing notes like all day.
No, I haven't.
Oh well. First notes of the day.
These are the first notes of the day.
For real?
This
Yeah.
is what happens when you blame
Well,
it
no,
on-
I guess I did. Well, I did examples in calc, so I guess.
That's so funny, calc.
But in Algebra 2, they just watched my video from last year.
Oh, that's
Were we
so
in it?
sad.
Were we in it? Did we talk?
Wait, that's how when she
Oh,
started
we're
doing the way
not.
all we are in all those videos.
I hope they enjoy me. I hope they forget.
I don't know, but Mr. Law got to watch it too, so hopefully it wasn't.
Oh, maybe
That's
not.
even worse.
Well, it was on the projector at that. It was like that.
Yeah, and I
big,
had
it
the
wasn't
mic,
iPad.
so.
Wait, so always and forever when everyone watches these videos, it's just gonna always be
here.
our class in it. And they're hearing it now too, guys.
We're special.
We are special.
That's for sure.
You know
No,
what?
it's
We're just
special.
gonna
A lot
be
of money.
we're gonna be the people that every year people get to just hear our conversations when they learn, just to make them laugh.
Terrifying.
Maybe
Yeah,
that'll help
we're
them remember
making-
better.
yeah.
Help them. Yeah.
All of our questions are gonna end up helping them. So you're welcome.
Well,
guys.
literally, when I'm gone in October, I'm just leaving videos from last year.
What about the one time I asked you what was it, what imaginary number was? You said it's not.
I said it's not real.
I hope they hear
And then I
that.
pointed to the poster.
You did. I hope they hear that.
I can't remember if I don't think I had switched to the iPad yet. I didn't use the iPad until like the very end last
Yeah.
year.
Guys, fun fact. I ate a lot of burgers.
I feel bad for
That's
anyone
exciting.
who comes after us and has to listen to these.
Well,
annoying
Chase has
things.
to
It's
listen to
okay.
all of these.
Oh yeah,
Poor
Chase.
Chase is.
Chase
Yeah,
will
they kind of
just
miss Chase.
laugh.
He's kind of
It'll be okay.
Chase will just watch them and laugh.
All right, the range is the difference between
I already warned yourself.
the min and the max. The data can be split into quartiles.
What is a quartile?
You'll see in a second.
Oh, what is that?
That indicate
What is that?
I thought you said 4 times.
That's what I wrote down.
where each 25% of the data lies.
You too. God, I'm really tired. did you?
Is this like worthless?
Yeah, it's just Coordicus. No, Coordicus.
Quartile.
Quartiles.
Hey, y'all. Quartiles.
Oh my god, it's not a U, it's an L.
Quartiles.
You know, part of Earhart like made my handwriting bad. It's really not. We're just not.
We're just not.
We're just not all here.
I think it's not focused in. I think that's the actual problem.
Yeah.
Quartiles, okay.
Quartiles.
It looked like a C. I thought it said Quarticus.
Quarticus. That's the Quartius. Quartius. I don't know what I thought it said.
You said something on my
Oh
paper.
great, they're gonna hear her snorting on all the videos
No.
too.
That's kind of.
Okay, I'll just tell everyone it's Sarah.
What?
What? You're mean. Yeah.
It's not Sarah.
It is Sarah. It's always
Wait, so
Sarah.
take
them all the
Oh.
Oh.
Guys, you are so dramatic.
They're not gonna see what just happened, so.
Oh. Dang, that's
Better?
sad. Yes.
Yeah.
It's like at the eye doctor. Better one, better two.
Don't you wish you had more classes with us, Melcher? We're funny, aren't we?
Kind of mean.
Yeah, you're mean. Yeah,
It's funny that we
no,
know
we
that.
kind of deserve it.
No, we do.
We literally sit in class and talk all day.
Well,
Okay, I had to sit through a conversation about you guys talking about bras right there.
when?
When?
Yeah, just like yesterday or the day before that.
Oh, we
don't-
did.
I
we
think
did.
I'm
we
calling
did.
you bluff.
No, we did.
No,
No,
y'all
we did.
actually
Yes.
Oh.
It was my
That's
fault.
upsetting.
It was my
Brooke's
fault.
fault.
It was my fault. But we're not exactly surprised. Oh wait. Whoa, this is. Do I have to write that down, or am I gonna be really confused? Yeah, I'll write it down.
I don't. I mean, I don't really care if you write it or not, but it might be helpful.
Yeah, you're right.
Quarantine 2, guys.
Oh no.
Hopefully we don't have to go for
Don't
a
even
one.
say that. Don't even.
Just
Guys,
don't. Yeah,
that would make me
don't
cry.
Don't
even.
even joke about it.
Guys,
It's
if
not
we
fun.
got stuck at home, I would die. I don't like my house. I mean, I like my house. Okay, I want to have a house.
Where?
For the middle one.
Oh, median.
I'm really done. Like, what is this class on? Like,
Wait, no, I'm gonna keep my brain think. No.
What?
Keep my brain think no. Maddie, you should let us know.
okay, I'm.
What?
Okay, what does the word say? What? The
Interquartile.
Thank you guys.
I'm so sorry. Now
I want to know what you're thinking.
Okay, we really don't want to know what she's thinking.
Yes, I do. I always do.
No, we don't.
Yes, I do. Not
Let's
right now.
continue to read and write.
We're not very good at that today.
This is a pretty trippy image. I can't draw. I really feel bad. Oh no, we were not oblivious.
Me?
Guys, we're literally recording a video. Shut your mouths and write the verse.
The verse?
Write the math. Write the math, okay? Write the verse. Okay.
Does it hurt? What verse is this one?
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. My brain is moving too fast and my mouth is not catching up.
I'm gonna have to tell y'all you can't have sugar at lunch.
Oh.
Oh, the ice cream.
I low-key feel like if the general public were to watch these videos, they'd be very confused.
Yeah. Like
Very
Derek
well
Peterson.
be.
I have a question. Do other people like actually use your videos? Like, have you ever had someone actually use your videos?
Yeah, my dental hygienist's daughter uses them.
That's kind of a little weird. How do I respond to that? I mean,
She's gonna watch this, bro. Oh my goodness.
I don't know this person. If I offend them, I apologize.
No, I mean like people that like especially when people were virtual. Like if they looked up a topic, then it would come up.
Oh.
So.
They should look up stupid children. That should come up.
I mean, just kidding. Totally kidding.
No, she's like, I graded your quizzes. I know, guys.
I did not grade the quizzes because everybody hasn't taken it yet.
Oh my goodness, Chase.
Chase, get back.
Yeah, Chase, be better. Come on, get back.
Come on, Chase.
He really has. He's only been in school for like a week. Guys, it kind of even makes me a little bit funny. Yeah, Chase, come on. Do you win?
They play together.
Oh, that's not fun.
Not
You
again.
beat up your friends. What? Don't do that. I don't beat up my friends. I don't beat up anyone.
I don't think you could.
Oh my goodness.
Is this a challenge?
What are we doing?
I feel like I'm being challenged to beat up Melter.
You can be. But
I will beat you up.
one, I
Stop.
don't bully people under 4 foot. And two, I don't think you
I'm not under 4
She's
foot.
under 4
Excuse
foot.
me. Change that to under 5 foot and you've got a winner. I am not under 4 foot.
She's under 5 foot.
That is
I
true.
know that. Oh my goodness, Sarah, move your head, please. Thank you.
Sarah?
Sarah.
Sarah.
Y'all are crazy.
Yeah.
It was funny. My professor in college used to record all of his lectures, and like sometimes he would do something, and then he would say, "Yep, I'm gonna have to go edit that out of the video after class before I post it." And he actually would. He would go do like a cut, and
Seriously?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think you should do that.
No.
then I'd cut the whole video.
That's true.
Yeah.
No.
Hey,
Oh, wait,
you
Okay.
Oh.
It did not do that on the video.
All right, we all have this.
He watches that. He goes, "Did it do it?"
Did it do it? I need to know.
Are we done with spread?
Yeah.
Okay. That's great because I just finished one page.
Other ways
Me too, Berkeley.
to display
I have like 2 numbers
I hate
left.
my life so
quantitative
To what?
2 lines.
data. You need more than that for this whole section, so if you only got 2 lines, I'd go to a new page.
Okay, guys. There are more ways. Why?
What
Why?
the?
When you have
When you have-
socks.
Yeah.
What else do you need?
Are we gonna have shoes?
Y'all saw that, right?
What?
What is going on? Stop.
I think we're too silly for it, and we broke it.
It's being silly.
What, a dot plot?
Silly girl.
Guys, it's a dot plot.
Why does the word quantitative look so small on yours, but when I write it, it looks ginormous?
Why is it that I spelled it
Like,
incorrectly?
it just looks like such a big word, but then when she writes it, it's like, oh, it's not that big.
Silly girl.
Guys, just
Oh,
oh my
why did I
goodness,
write
guys,
so
I
much?
want to draw that.
Well, Patty, look how much notes I have.
Guys, I actually kind of enjoy sitting here and putting
What?
notes on my paper. How does this help me with anything now?
Literally, it's statistics.
All right, so a dot plot is the fastest way to display data.
What?
Do we have to draw it like exactly like you?
Sounded
Or
weird
like
in my head.
No,
It did sound weird to me too,
just
don't worry.
there.
I thought it was said a little funky. Yeah, look at that nice line.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Rather straight as a circle.
Oh no.
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 Who remembers what this is?
Oh. I have no clue. But
A
I
matrix.
feel.
no, that's not a matrix.
Is it a matrix?
No, it's not.
No.
It's function.
Nope.
It's
It's-
a graph. Numbers.
Significant figures.
No.
What?
I don't know.
Numbers in a line.
What falls off a tree in the fall?
Apples.
Leaves.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Yeah, this is a stem and apple plot. All right, the stem and leaf plot is visually similar to a histogram.
But no, it doesn't look like a histogram.
Doesn't have to.
It just has like the same info.
It does!
Oh!
Look at this stuff.
It's like a sideways.
Okay. It's visually similar to a histogram, but it preserves data values.
It's not gonna show it unless you turn it sideways.
Well, I know. I was more showing her because she was like, it doesn't look like a histogram.
Well, you see, I typically don't sit here and go like, figure out what things look like. I'm just looking at it and I see numbers in a row. Or apples in a row.
All those stem and apple plots.
I can't really justify it.
I can't really justify it, but
It was a thought in my brain and it worked and it didn't work.
It worked.
It didn't work. It stopped working.
Okay, I can tell.
Okay, well.
You know, I don't actually remember what a stem and leaf plot is, but now that I see it, it looks cool.
That's
No,
cool.
I remember what it is now. It's just I forgot the name.
Ew. I don't actually remember what you do with that. It just looks a
it's
little-
just how you read off the number values at each spot, basically. Somebody pick a color.
Purple. Purple.
Oh no!
Luckily, I picked
The Apple Pencil is dead.
It fell from the tree.
This is a problem.
It fell from the tree.
Gonna have to like give it a little bit. Okay, well while that happens, I'll go back up here and talk about this, and then we can. Then we'll go down into the next thing. Okay. So this is the 5-number summary. Okay, that's what we're getting. That's what I was getting ready to write notes on before my pencil decided to die. We'll just give it a minute. But the 5-number summary consists of a min, Q1, Q2, Q3, and a max. Okay. It is a useful way to describe your data. There's a function on your calculator called one variable stats that we'll walk through how to use Monday probably. I think we'll do examples on Monday. And so we'll walk through what that looks like and how to use it on your calculator and all that. Do y'all remember in Algebra 2 talking about standard deviation?
No.
I remember the word, but I don't like.
I don't remember what it is. I just remember Mr. Cass talking about it, and he goes, "Brooke, do you know what it is?" And I went, "No." And he goes, "Oh."
But it's the thing where like does this thingy and like this is what normally happens, and then the things over here like don't normally happen.
Yeah,
But
so
it
it's this.
deviates.
Yeah, so it's the spread of how far something is from the mean, essentially. And so, like, so much of the data is in each, so many standard deviations away. But that's something else that we'll be talking about here in a second. Let me see. If you can find some in this classroom, absolutely.
No?
Somebody stole my tape dispenser.
I wonder if I
I don't know why.
I'm just gonna. Oh, on a like not really related
But-
note, but also.
What is it?
I'm just gonna close it.
Do you want a Ziploc?
Does anybody know how to put it like right next to
Alright, let's see if this pencil is like semi-charged.
It's something to his finger.
Oh. No, this thing. The femur. Okay, this is not a good.
Oh, we're at 15%. We got this.
I didn't see his
Yeah, let's go
finger.
team. Woo.
Alright, somebody pick a color.
Purple.
I literally
Pink.
picked blue.
Nobody, no, purple. It's purple. Purple's better. Yes.
Ew. That was
Alright. The 5-number summary
That's scary.
is a useful way to describe data.
That does not. How the hell do I zeros on the phone?
So this is how your calculator is going to read it to you. So just, all right, so you, oh, it's recording now. I'm looking in the wrong spot to see if it started. Okay, anyways, might be clipping that one a little bit. So, yeah, this is how your calculator reads this. If this was your set of data that you were given, okay, it'll come up and give off the information like this. Okay, specifically, one variable stats. On your calculator, we'll give you this data. Okay, it gives you a lot of other stuff too, so you have to pick through with what you actually need. Okay, it'll come up and tell you the mean, the standard deviation, the sample mean, the, you know, all this other stuff. So just be aware of what pieces you're looking for. All right, I think after purple I heard pink. All right.
Aha, not blue for you, Melcher.
I'm getting there. We're not
No.
done.
I think he does not deserve it.
I didn't even kill it.
Or blue is my favorite color.
I barely even say anything in this class.
Nice, right.
The standard deviation is an important way to describe the average speed of the data from the mean
The speed?
Yes.
spread.
My dad is so Oh! God, I was actually thinking it.
Oh, it's been a long day. I'm tired.
I low-key thought we were in physics.
That's why I wrote that, because my brain went physics. Okay, the average spread of the data from the mean.
I was confused.
Somehow I
It's
wanted.
a good day to be alive, people.
You know what? I was sitting here like, yeah, speed.
It didn't even faze me because physics, that's what we've been doing. Didn't even think about it.
I was just writing it down like, yeah, I trust her.
S squared is equal to the summation of x minus x bar squared over n minus 1.
Uh-oh.
S is equal to
Oh my word.
the square root of the summation of x minus x bar squared
How to draw this thing.
all over n minus 1.
Guys, my thing looks like.
Oh, this is like work now. Like this is like math. Oh.
Wow, that's what this class is. It's math.
I know, but I wasn't ready to accept it.
We're off of the fun who, when, where thing, and now we're back on this.
Okay, so I cannot draw the summation thing. It looks bad.
It's literally
Normally, I literally just do this,
Kind of like a sideways M.
basically.
no, it's actually a sideways thing.
All right, so the S squared is for variance, okay? S is standard deviation. Standard deviation is the square root of variance.
Man, I had to turn the page for this. That's gonna look really weird on the page.
That sucked.
What is that?
It looks like someone
Those dots?
I will not be able to replicate that.
That's gonna take a while.
Wee.
Oh!
Guys, my dots are purple. I love purple.
All right, in the left scenario, okay, they're all tightly packed together right there around that mean, okay, that X bar.
Can you scroll up by like half an inch? Yeah, so what happened?
That was kind of scary the way you said, yeah.
This will have a small standard deviation. This one is very spread out. This will have a large standard deviation.
Let's go.
What, me?
This is kind of fun. Drawing all the little tiny dots.
It's very like satisfying
Yeah,
because it doesn't matter where they go.
Exactly. You
Sometimes-
just be like 5 again, and like your pictures just be like you just. It's really bad.
Isn't X right?
What do you mean?
Huh?
My
Oh, it's
picture's
an
still
X.
like-
An X with a bar above it.
That's because you never grew up.
But guess what? We do not Calculate standard deviation by hand.
So calculator, right?
Calculator. No calculators.
Use a calculator or use calculator technology to do this.
I like my calculator.
Good for you.
I think I'm gonna name it Cassie the calculator. It sounds like
You can only do that if you have a Casio.
Yeah, that does sound good. I don't know what kind of mine is.
I think we all the same.
No, they're not all the same. I have a question. Do people still not have their books covered?
Oh yeah, there's a lot of people who don't have their
That's,
books
like, really
covered.
aggressive.
Yeah, I'm gonna put something up there on Monday that if they're not covered by Tuesday, it's demerit, or by Wednesday, it's demerits. Every day that is not covered, because I'm tired of it, quite frankly.
I was just wondering because. Like,
And if I find a book in the hallway that's not covered that belongs to one of my students, it's mine.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, can you put this?
Yeah, 1 second.